Hey guys, welcome to our channel. If you want to deposit money on your Bybit account from your Revolut account, then this video is for you. First, you have to log into your Bybit account using your Bybit wallet. Then you have to simply click on asset, and after click on the asset here, you have to simply click on deposit here. After click on deposit, you can find this type of pop-up window where you can find deposit euro. So you can it will show up like your preferred currencies. It can show your withdraw or deposit USD, that's in dollars. So you have to simply click on it to for the direct money deposit on Bybit. Then you can find this section, the fiat deposit section, where you have to enter the amount and you can set the currency from here. Now from here you can select ideal, but I prefer you go with the SEPA transfer for your if you're from Netherlands, then you can find it. And you can find your country-based transfer system. You can choose your country-based transfer system for the firstest transaction. Now simply click on this checkbox here, then simply click on continue. Now after continuing, you can find this section where you can find a preview. Then after if all of these are currently okay, then simply click on continue. Then you can find this note here that please ensure your account details match the information provided during identity verification. Inconsistent account information may result in unsuccessful deposits. The funds returned within 7 to 14 working days for such cases. We recommend, that's when they recommend depositing between 10 euro to this amount of euro. Deposits under 10 euro may not be credited. So you have to deposit minimum of 10 euro. Then simply click on confirm. Then you can find this window where you can find the QR code what you can use to transfer the money from other wallet, or you can scroll down a little and you can find the recipient details of this is actually your details, your wallet recipient wallet details as you are the recipient, where you can find the refer ID. This actually mandatory, so you have to remember it, or you can copy it from here. Then beneficiary name, then IBAN and SWIFT or BIC code. This all will be needed to transfer. Now let's jump to the Revolut account here. So after opening the Revolut wallet, you have to simply click on this payment button here. After going to the payment, you can simply click on this plus button here at the top right corner. Then from here you can find new payment section where you can select the bank recipient. Select bank recipient, and from here you can select the individual or the business. So simply select the business, and after selecting the business you can choose your country of the recipients. So simply choose the country, then choose the currency from here, and it's time to add the IBAN. So first two alphabet will represent the country. So you have to simply go back to your Bybit account, and you have to copy your IBAN account. Then you have to paste it in this section, or you can find the scanner option. You can scan this scanner. Let me show you. Here it is. So you can go with the scanner here and you can scan that, and you can get all of your details from here. Now the first name and the middle name, so make sure that you have entered the name from here, like the beneficiary name. You can copy it and paste it in here, or you can add it last name here. Then the email address, it's optional, but you can add your email address. After that you can simply, after adding all of this, you can simply click on add recipients. Now from there you can add it. You have just added your account as a recipient. Now from here you have to choose the amount that you want to transfer. After entering the amount, you can simply enter the reference code here. It will ask for the reference, where you can find the reference. Let me show you here. Here is the reference ID. You can simply click on this copy button here, and you can enter the reference here. Then simply click on continue, and you can find this conversation where you can find the amount that you have transferred to that with that reference ID. Then you can go back to your Bybit account and simply click on assets, and from here you can click on this icon at the top right corner to get the history. So from here you can find your asset history, where you can find your deposit history from here, and you can wait a couple of minutes for appearing this asset on your Bybit wallet. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.